Hi, this is Zawad Anwar. I am the owner and designer of Srishti. We sell handmade jewelry. Has begun since 1999. It started with my mother, then I started a business since 2020. And I took Srishti to digital space and we do exhibitions at different places in Dhaka. Yeah, so today I want to talk about Startup Lab Bangladesh. Which I founded with my friend Ibrahim Sufi. So we've been doing business since student time, and this thought came to us: what if we had a great network of networks, right? So yes, we need a lot of connections in a lot of places, but যে আমাদের connections-এ কিছু shortage হয় বা কিছু logistical error হয়, etc. So I thought, me and my friend thought, যে why can't we create a channel যেখানে মেন্টরসও থাকে, স্টুডেন্ট হোক, আর্লি স্টেজ ফাউন্ডার হোক, আমরা একটা নেটওয়ার্ক ক্রিয়েট করে সবাইকে ফস্টার করব, সবার আইডিয়া ফস্টার করব। আমরা যেভাবে যতটুকু